This video is sponsored by Lido. Thanks again for supporting the channel. We're going to scrape data from PDFs into Excel automatically. So we're going to take data from a sheet like this right here, which is a multi-page invoice, and we're going to pull each one of these over into Excel. We're going to use a tool that I've been using for years called Lido. This is a spreadsheet interface that looks exactly like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, except for one difference. We got this extract button right here. So we're going to get data from a bunch of different sources. In our case, it's just a PDF file. And we're going to click to upload right here, and we're going to bring in this 5-page invoice. Now what Lido does in the background here up front is it analyzes this document and it pulls in all of the column data that it thinks we are going to want to see. So you can see that right here: vendor name, invoice number, date, description, item, quantity, and amount. And then that same data is going to populate in our spreadsheet format over here on the left-hand side, which is just the same type of spreadsheet format that you're used to seeing anywhere that you use spreadsheets. If we change any of these, so if I add a column, if I add a total amount column, it's going to populate over here in column G now in our spreadsheet, and it's going to fill in that data when we extract and process all this. If I wanted to remove one of these, if I wanted to remove the item quantity, for instance, then that would remove from the data over here too. Now, if you wanted multiple documents, if you had another file that you wanted to upload, you can do up to 100 files over here. You can do images, docs, PDFs, whatever. It will extract the data from all of those. And once you've got everything in place, you can even add extra instructions for the AI down here. I found that this is actually typically unnecessary. It's going to do just fine without anything extra written in here. And then finally, an important thing, especially for what we're doing, we're going to extract multiple rows per document. So we've got all these different line items, remember, on this document. We want all those in separate rows. We're going to click Process Files, and it's going to give us a countdown little percentage rate here on how much it's processing. And when it finishes, voila, over on our left-hand side, after only a few seconds, it's going to bring in all that data from our sheet. So this eliminates a bunch of manual data. Please stop manually typing things like this in. Just use a tool like Lido. Now, if you had another document that you wanted to put in here, you can click to upload that one. Let's put another one over here, and we can just say process all files, and it's going to go up there and it's going to add beneath here on lines 37 through whatever the information from the document we just added there. So you can keep doing this as many times as you need. You can clear all this out and start from a fresh upload if you need to. Once we have it here, we can do some manipulation, but you probably just want to get it into Microsoft Excel. File, export values to Excel, and boom, we've got our XLSX file that we can now edit over here just like so. If this looks interesting to you, I do have a link in the description below for you to go check out Lido for your business or use case, and I hope it's helpful for you. Have a great one.